from Simple Way of Learning. Today I am back again with my another video, and today's video I will be showing you again those another 5 activities that is related to fine motor skills. These activities are really very important for the child for their eye-hand coordination skills, concentration skills, fine motor skills as well as balancing skills. These activities will definitely gonna help the child slowly and gradually in day-to-day activities as well as it will help them in writing, drawing, etc. So before I begin my video, I just want to tell you repeatedly that if anyone wants my video to be shared in Hindi language, please feel free to tell me in the comment section below. So our first activity is pegs activity. For the pegs activity, I have taken few cloths peg, 2 bowl. One is empty and in another bowl I have taken some of the cotton balls. So what are we going to do is, first allow the child to take these pegs and ask them to press it repeatedly. Press it repeatedly because pressure will be there on their fingers and it will gradually help the child in developing the muscles of these fingers. So after they are well much acquainted with this, ask the child to take this peg and pick one cotton ball like this and keep it into another bowl. Yes. Take another cotton ball and pick it and drop it into the other one. Again take the another one and drop it. I am using cotton balls here. You can also use pom-pom. So this was our first activity. So now getting ahead towards our next activity, number 2, sorting activity. For sorting activity, as you can see, I have taken 2 different type of grams. One is white gram and another one is brown gram, the small one. So now what we have to do, we will ask the child to sort out. We have taken another 2 bowl. In one bowl, we'll ask the child to keep the white gram. In another bowl, we'll ask the child to keep the brown gram. So one by one ask them. Pick the white gram, keep it in this bowl. Okay, now what's next? So this is brown gram, keep it here. So this is how, just do it. Like this. So this is how we'll be asking the child to sort out 2 different gram in 2 different separate bowls. So this was our second activity. So now our third activity is pasta stacking. For pasta stacking activity, we have taken a tablecloth, a bowl full of pasta, a dough and 2 sticks. So what we are going to do is first take the dough, keep it on the center like this, take both the sticks and insert it into this dough. Yes, like this. And then ask the child to take this penne pasta and pick it one by one and keep it onto this stick like this. One by one, slowly. Yes. So as you can see, this activity is very interesting. When the child will do this activity, they will gonna enjoy it to their fullest. And this activity helps in their concentration level as well as it improves the eye-hand coordination. So this is our third activity. So now let's move towards our fourth activity, that is newspaper activity. For the newspaper activity, we'll take a piece of a newspaper and colors. So now what we will be doing, ask the child to pick any one color. And then ask them to scribble. And just give them the instruction that remember you have to hold like this with these 3 fingers. Like this. And then scribble. With the full energy, just scribble it. So this is how ask the child to scribble. Now you will be surprised to know with this newspaper activity, we will be going to do 4 different activities. So what's next with this? After scribbling, ask the child to crush the paper with full energy, like this. Yes, with full energy. So this is the second activity with the newspaper. And now with this newspaper activity, we are going to do the third one. Ask them to open it again, like this. Like this. And after opening, our fourth activity is ask them to tear it, like this. Ask them to tear it into small pieces, like this. Like this. So I have taken the small pieces So this is how ask them to tear it into small pieces. So now again with these small pieces, ask the child to roll the newspaper like this. Roll the newspaper and turn it into small balls. And this is how ask them to roll it into small balls. So as you can see guys, while doing this newspaper activity, all the 5 fingers along with the palm was in use. So this will definitely going to help them in their eye-hand coordination skills as well as fine motor skills. So this is very helpful for the child because it will help them in writing, scribbling, drawing, etc. So this is how we'll do this activity. So this is the 4th activity. Now our last activity is spooning activity. For spooning activity, we need a tablecloth, 3 bowls, 2 big and 1 small, and a spoon. So now in this small bowl we have taken those newspaper balls which the child have rolled in the 4th activity. In one big bowl we have taken water and the other big bowl is empty. So what we will do, now we will drop all these newspaper balls into this bowl which is filled with water. Like this. And then ask the child to take the spoon and pick one newspaper balls at a time and drop it into the other. Like this. So this is how ask them to take out the newspaper balls and pick it and keep it into another bowl. So as you can see, this activity the child will enjoy doing this. This is a very fun way to teach them and as well as to develop the eye-hand coordination skills and concentration skills as well. So this was our 5th activity. So guys, thanks for watching and I'm sure that it will definitely going to help you. And thank you so much for your support in the last video. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.